NOTEBOOKLM is much more than a note-taking app. It's an AI-powered learning, research, and productivity platform that can save hours every week. Which feature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tool tutorials. The best feature is personalization. You decide what information NOTEBOOKLM learns from. That means answers are based on your materials rather than random internet sources. This creates a customized learning environment tailored to your needs. Businesses can upload meeting notes, reports, and documentation. Employees can quickly find information without searching through hundreds of pages. This improves productivity and knowledge sharing. Content creators can upload articles, reports, and research materials. Then use NOTEBOOKLM to generate topic ideas, outlines, and key talking points. This makes content planning significantly faster. Researchers spend countless hours organizing information. NOTEBOOKLM can summarize findings, identify themes, and help build structured notes. It's like having a personal research assistant available 24/7. You aren't limited to one document. Upload multiple PDFs, articles, notes, and research papers. Then ask questions across all sources simultaneously. This helps you compare information and discover connections much faster. If you're learning a new subject, ask NOTEBOOKLM to generate frequently asked questions. This is a great way to test your understanding and identify knowledge gaps. It's like having a teacher create practice questions specifically for your material.